How to start a profitable jewelry business on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can start a profitable jewelry business on Etsy. Now, starting a profitable jewelry business on Etsy can be highly rewarding, but it can also require strategic planning and executions. Now, here are some essential tips and tricks to help you launch and grow successful jewelry shop on the platform. First of all, you need to research the market and define your niche. Now, research the latest jewelry trend on Etsy and other platforms to understand what customers are looking for. You can use like Etsy Rank, Marmalade, and Pinterest for inspiration. Now, jewelry is a competitive category, so focus on specific niche such as minimalist, vintage, gemstones, or personalized jewelry. A strong niche can help differentiate your brand and target a different audience. You could also use this high quality materials. You can work with a reliable suppliers, use trusted sources to get a quality material. Examples: bead, metals, gemstones that can complement your brand aesthetic as well. You could consider eco-friendly or fair trade materials, which are increasingly popular among conscious customers. Now, deciding whether you'll make your jewelry by hand or outsource productions. Handmade items often resonate with Etsy due to their uniqueness. Now, invest in a professional photography. You need to take a clear picture. High quality images are critical to selling jewelry online. Ensure your photo capture details, textures, and variety as well. Now, show your jewelry worn by models to help customers visualize the items in real light. Use a neutral background and a natural lighting to ensure your product stands out and looks true color. Apart from it, you could also polish your shop appearances, like customizing your shop's logo, banners, and bio to reflect your brand's identity. Use a professional logos and cohesive branding across the storefront. You could also set expectations for shipping items, returned, and exchanges to build customers' trust. Now, you can personalize or custom jewelry can be a major selling point on Etsy, allowing customers to choose metal, stones, or engraving options. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.